how to share YouTube video on Instagram story, follow this guide. To start off, open the YouTube app on your phone and navigate to the video you want to share. Next, click on the share button located just below the video. Then select copy link and open the Instagram app. Now tap the plus button at the top left corner to create a new story. Here choose a background image. Once your background is ready, tap the sticker icon at the top and select the link sticker. Furthermore, paste the YouTube video link into the message box. Additionally, you can also add a custom text to make your story more engaging. Finally, tap Done and adjust the sticker placement if needed. Lastly, click on your story at the bottom to share it. And that's all. You now know how to share YouTube video on Instagram story.